Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. I hope this video finds you all well and enjoying the collaboration, the A to Z of Christmas craft. I just thought I would do a quick video and show you guys some of the things that I have been making to follow along with the collaboration. I've been having so much fun. I found that it is a really great way to get into the spirit for the holidays, and I hope you guys are finding out the same things for yourself. So I've actually been making a journal, and I'm using a vintage Reader's Digest to do my journal. It has a floating spine in there, which was inspired by Bella from Rach and Bella Crafts, not in part of the collaboration. So if you've missed her videos, go check that out, because it really is a great way to do a floating spine. So I'm not done with the cover yet. Gonna do something fun there. We'll do a complete flip through as we get there. So I'll just show you some of the things. This was my collage that I used as the end page. My day was day 3, and it was C for collage. So there is a piece of my masterboard that I made into a decoration for the end page. Now I've got some other things in here that I've just kind of done on my own. The letter E was E for evergreen. I did make the folio that she did, but I also put in an evergreen tree with the little sparkle window in here. This is actually laminated glitter, which I got this idea from another YouTuber, Shanuki. She's not part of this collaboration, but I absolutely love these sparkle windows and use them a lot. I got some glue strings hanging out in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of flip through and point out some of the things. So A was Advent, and that was from Nonstop Paper Crafts, and my tag that I actually made as inspiration from hers is right here. So it has the little flip up, and I put some stickles in there so it's sparkly on that candle. And I decided to do some other Advent style tags. I have a die cut that does them, so you'll see them throughout the journal. Here's one. I haven't finished numbering them or putting stickles all over them yet, so they are just kind of randomly popping up in my journal here, and I think they're great. Now this was the letter B by Tracie Fox Creations. I made a card here using the kit, and then I also put some bells on the side here, which I think are really cute. So Bells Baubles was her B, and then she also made a Christmas card. I didn't happen to use her freebie, but it was really great, and I had a great time making this card from the kit, and I thought that Santa face was just really cute and perfect for a page right there. Then D was decoupage, and I wasn't so sure my printer would be happy putting napkin through it, so I did my own version of the decoupage. I used a collage back here from the kit, and then I did a napkin in Christmas theme, so I did do some decoupaging. And then I absolutely love this Christmas tree. This is the center of my signature, so it's just a little wow to pop in there, and I absolutely love it. And then evergreen was E, and I showed you that tree at the beginning. And then I have this cute little folio here. And I didn't put evergreen on the front of it. I really enjoyed the poinsettias in this kit, so I did go ahead and make a little folio. I need to finish some decorating in here, but I do have the waterfall that she suggested, which is really fun, and then the 2 pockets. And I did go ahead and tuck it into a journal, so I have these little strings here to tie it together, and I think it is absolutely beautiful and just so much fun. I put some sparkles on here. It says joyful. I used a Tim Holtz die cut for the words, and some glittery paper, and I absolutely love it. A little bit of extra bling there. And so F is flower, and I haven't done that yet. That was Pam from the Paper Outpost. She made these beautiful flowers, and I haven't done them yet, but I'm going to. The triple pocket was for G. It was her word was gift, and the gifts of Christmas from Lilify the Paper Witch. I did follow along and make this triple pocket, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks really great in the journal, and it's on the last page before the center of my signature there, so I think that's really great. And I've got these cute little tags in there. And then H was hope, and it's a little book. That was by Sunflowers and Doors, and I made 2 of these little booklets that she made. This one here, I put this little washer word that says hope on there, and I'm gonna use some wax to kind of pop that out a little better. And then it's just a cute little flippy book here. Got an extra little pocket up here with a tag and a little note paper like she did. She sewed hers in. It was really pretty, but I didn't want to sew, so I just put some brads and made my little note paper. And I also did this here on the bottom to decorate. Instead of doing a pocket, just did a little punch. And then this other one says tinsel, and I thought that was really cute. And it's just a cute little flip out. I need to still put a tag in there and a tag in here too. So lots of work yet to be done. And this is a pocket. I was waiting for that to dry. I did print this on vellum, which today was V for vellum from Bella, from Rachel Bella Crafts. So I have been using some vellum throughout my book, and that's been fun. I really love it. I am going to try making the bag that Bella made, so that should be fun. And I think it's going to be like the perfect size for the pages that I'm doing. And it was by Crafty Junk Journals, and she did some inspiration on these little flippy books. And I don't know if mine's like hers, but I did go ahead and make a little flip book. I put an eyelet in this tag that's in here so that I could have a little more support, and I put a string through so it would close, tie closed. And I've just got a little flip book here. Ooh, I added some elements today and it was still drying. There we go. And this flips down. And then these are pockets. So this one's a pocket, this is a pocket, and then this is a pocket. So lots of fun pockets, which I realized I was kind of lacking. I was like, how did I ever make a journal without like pockets? So I didn't think that would ever happen, but it did. And so I've got some pockets in there, and I appreciate the inspiration from Crafty Junk Journals. I still need to make the jag from Angela Kerr, which was for Jay, and make sure I have Chris Kringle from Boho Needs. And I haven't done a little journal or Mary. See, I kind of got to like a certain part and didn't do everything. But I did pick back up. I kind of need to work on J through O. I did pick back up at P, and for poinsettia, which was from House of Mahalo, and I absolutely loved this. It was so much fun. There is a policy closure, and then has the poinsettias here all over, and mine turned out really fun. I really enjoyed it a lot. Mine flips down like this and up like this, and then this one is a pocket, so it holds a tag, and I have these cute little birds in here. And a fun writing space in here. So really cute. I really enjoyed this. And I have my little closure going here. So thank you to House of Mahalo for making this one so much fun. Absolutely love that element. It uses one of my favorite pages of the kit. And that was just so much fun. And then G. Kerr did S for Sparkle and Spice. I haven't done Q or R yet. But the Sparkle and Spice, I had to skip out on the spice part because I'm allergic to most of the cinnamon stuff, but I did go ahead and make the same type of thing, and will definitely be adding a lot of sparkle to my book. I just don't have the spices in here, and I didn't use her freebie, although I think it's beautiful, and I have downloaded it and will use it for something else. I wanted to continue using the colors from the kit, so I made my own, and I think it turned out great, and I love the sparkles, and it's kind of a shakery thing. And then I put glittery tulle in there for even more sparkles, so this will be going into my book. I love, love, love the idea. And then I haven't made a treasure box yet, and like I said, I've been using some vellum throughout the book, but I plan to definitely continue using more and try some of the amazing pockets that Bella has included. Not pockets, what am I saying? I want to try some of the amazing bags, vellum bags that Bella had made with some beautiful tags. That's what she made today. So yeah, thank you so much to Rachel for getting us all together and creating this wonderful collaboration. I've had a really great time following along and looking forward to each day and trying to figure out, guess a little bit in the anticipation of what the creator is going to present for the letter. And that's been fun. And we're getting ready to start the partridge in a pear tree part of it, so the 12 days of Christmas part. So that will be fun to see how each maker presents those crafts as well. And I'm just so excited to continue working with this book. The floating spine is perfect because I can continue to add pages as I need to. It is starting to get a little bit chunky in here. Let's see, I think this is the division. I only have 2 signatures. You can tell I've been working on this one a little bit more. It is thicker. But I did intentionally use cardstock that was not textured so that I would be able to add things as the collaboration went on, and hopefully give myself enough room to put everything I wanted to in the book. And so far it's been working great, and I'm super excited to see what the rest of the month will hold. I hope you all are enjoying it as well and following along and having fun making all of your makes. And I hope that if you are following along, you will watch everybody that's been taking part. No matter where you are in the process, you can kind of skip around like I've done and pick up. And Rachel made a video on Rachel Bella Craft's YouTube channel where she kind of combined the first 3 or 4 things, and that was genius. So I mean, if you need to catch up, or if you want to feel like you want to combine some of them, you definitely can do that very easily. And there's just so many great things that you can make from all of these awesome ideas. So I hope you're playing along. I hope you're having fun. I hope it brings you anticipation and excitement for the holidays and the you know, upcoming, just getting into the spirit for the upcoming holidays. And thank you again to Rachel and all of the creators that have been collaborating for this awesome collaboration. I just feel so incredibly blessed to be a part of it, and I am excited for the rest of it to come and to do a final flip through of this book once I am done. So if you are making and creating along, definitely tag me on Instagram with some of the things that you have created. I'm excited to see some things that everybody else is making from the ideas, and I hope we'll all have some beautiful books at the end. Rachel has one she's going to be making and giving away. She's making all of the things from the videos and putting it together in a beautiful journal. So definitely check out her videos if you want a chance to win some kind of a journal that's going to be a collaboration as well. So that's pretty awesome, and you definitely don't want to miss that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.